up, everybody? Welcome back to J.F.F Enterprise.
Hey!
We're back with Chan. We're also back with Rochelle. Turn the camera, Rochelle. Oh! Today, if you haven't already figured it out by now, we got rubber bands, we got watermelons,
We got nerds.
Rochelle, clean that up, please.
God,
We made such a mess. There's nerds everywhere. Dogs are eating so much sugar. And it's probably fine. Anyways, we got our watermelon and our rubber bands. We're going to be making some watermelons. The watermelons explode.
You said watermelons.
So, we don't need this watermelon in the picture, so we can just throw this one out of the way. We planned that. But seriously, not for us. It's fine. Open the rubber bands. Aww, Babby. You're a bad boy, Tom. Everybody just start piling on rubber bands.
It's not even squeezing the pumpkin yet.
It's not squeezing the pumpkin, is it, Rochelle? No, you're very correct about that. This watermelon's name is now Pumpkin. That way, you're not wrong, Rochelle. I got you. That's the title of the video, Exploding a Pumpkin with Rubber Bands. Oh my god.
You hate me. I'm trying to race.
Oh yeah. Competition is my middle name. Oh god, it's leaking. Oh hi, Lanta.
Notice it started leaking when I started going? Yeah, that's how good I am.
More power!
Give it a ocean's go, Captain.
Oh,
Watch
just
it be
another
like,
crack.
Watch it be like shrapnel and just destroy us.
I'm holding it. I don't feel comfortable doing this. It's so moist. Oh god. That was awesome!
Where did all rubber bands go? There were hundreds of rubber bands on there, and now they're all gone. Oh my god! What? That is awesome!
That's the perfect
There's
rubber
watermelons
band
still
ball.
in there.
This is the least sweetest watermelon I have literally ever tasted.
No, it's worse.
This is watermelon is like 100% garbage. Come on, Cam.
Y'all are in the splash. You're in the splash zone. Just saying. Ready?
Too late now.
Whoa! Bouncy. Got a ballin'. We're ballin'. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No.
Tits.
I have to smell it.
Oh wait. Fade away.
Oh! What are you doing, Rochelle?
Nothing, JT.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh! You just got dunked on!
Phew! Next day here. Now we've gone on. We've exploded that watermelon, but now we have Justin, buddy. Justin, we have Justin, buddy here. Say hi, Justin. Say hi.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, my face!
I said hi!
Oh, we're gonna set up the camera so we can get this other watermelon on the road because we really want to show him what happens.
You're a good melon holder. I don't know why I opened my mouth, but I know the fingers are gonna go down it.
Put a pillow under your knees or something. Michelle, your job is to hold it.
Yeah,
Your
for
fingers
whatever.
feel weird now. I finish everything and everybody. Did you hold it?
Yes, I did!
Oh.
JT, you're not holding it! What are you doing?
I'm working on the side quest.
It's literally just gonna squish. That's no fun. It doesn't explode. It'll just...
That's very pessimistic of you. Don't be Chance. I think this tomato's gonna blow.
I'm looking at you because I know it's gonna get on me. I know I'm gonna be pissed.
This is gonna get on you.
This is okay.
It's practically water.
It's practically water. That shit's pre-made salsa. I don't like pre-salsa on me. Fuck.
It's going away! It's blowing up!
What the fuck happened to the cushion? Chance!
I think it's gonna pop any second now.
You're not.
Oh,
It's
God.
legit blowing up. Oh
Oh
god!
no, it's squirting!
Well, that was anticlimactic. This watermelon better be sweeter than the last damn one. That was garbage. I tasted that thing. That's an accurate representation of how it tasted.
Oh god. Go! That thing tipped right towards me. Is it gonna explode?
I don't know.
He's angry. Hi, watermelon. Wait. Hello.
Wait, it's about to happen.
Hey, buddy.
If you hiss at me, I'm
I'm
punching
so
you.
freaking nervous.
Oh god. It's all over me.
Oh, I just missed it!
Oh yeah, nice.
Yes, it exploded!
Good.
I could actually eat that. Yeah.
That was good.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Alright, I gotta do better than this.
This one's a lot better. Take a hand bath with me, Justin. Oh, we just mixed our juices.
Oh my god!
Everybody put your hands in. Michelle, I need one more hand here. We need some females so we don't look all
Why?
like we don't want a sausage. Oh, I like this. This is nice. It's all
Alright.
wet and moist. Fire watermelons on 3. Uno, dos, 4, 3,
What?
go!
Day 3, everybody. We're going to get a watermelon.
JT does this. He's like, we want this one?
This one? Alright.
Got what we need, so gotta get home so we can bust up some watermelon.
Alright, guys, so clearly you see we made it home with 2 watermelons.
Watermelon, it was a success.
We did it. JT will be so disappointed with our vlog. Day 23. I still haven't given JT his camera back in the same outfit. I can't vlog.
Disgusting.
It's going downhill. We're all dead. We're still walking to JT with the watermelon.
So this is what we got going on right now. We got Dawson back. We got his brother Jason over here. Everybody else is here. You already know who it is. We introduced you yesterday. This is the same video.
It's a different
I'm
day.
going to hurt you.
It hurt me. Say my name.
Anyways, we got this watermelon draining right here. We just keistered it a little bit. That's the stuff. I'm gonna fill it with some gasoline and then chunk it in fiery burning hell and make some explosion maybe. Meanwhile, everybody else is gonna work with this other watermelon. Let's go this way. So we got this watermelon. We're gonna rubber band this hoe once again. Gotta get multiple watermelons per video. Oh!
I don't want to hold this again.
Don't do it.
One more, do it, Jason, do it!
No, it's going. It's going right now.
His face is gonna punch.
Oh, like blow your
Is
hand
it gonna
off.
punch?
Oh my god!
I'm gonna get punched by a watermelon, do it!
Somebody finger it.
Wait!
Hold it. No, it's popping more. Hold it, hold it.
We're dead.
Disgusting.
This is what I was talking about.
Jesus!
La da da! Oh! Anybody want some?
I do.
Anybody want some fresh watermelon? Would you like some fresh watermelon?
I don't know about
You know,
that
this
thing.
is the best watermelon we've ever had on this show. You know that, right? This is some quality J.F.F.
I'd like to
watermelon.
point out this watermelon's pretty garbage.
I'm afraid to pull it out.
Full out game strong.
Yes, it is.
Alright, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Oh my god.
That was
Yeah.
disappointing. No!
I got this.
Got this?
Hello, all 5 viewers. Today we're gonna get some watermelon. Me, her,
JT is not
I at least get
our
7
team
views.
watermelon.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain.
I can hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Forrest and Lumpy and something.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Something and something and something.
No, just drive.
This bit is over.